Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Myris, and this is where I discuss all things business, marketing, branding, and different tips and tricks to help you build your dream life and career. I post new videos every Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own end screen for your YouTube videos using Canva. If you don't already use Canva, I highly suggest it. It's a lifesaver. You can use it for everything. It's free. They do have a payment option and it gives you more, but I use the free option and I get a lot from it. So I'm going to go to my channel. I'm just going to copy one of mine, go to one of my videos, go to the end. Alright, so this is my end screen, and then screenshot that, and I'm going to upload it onto Canva. So this is Canva. Create a design, YouTube outro. They do have different templates that you can use. I made my own. You can choose from one of these templates. So go to uploads, you upload the screenshot you just took. This is if you are copying from somebody else. Like, you can use mine if you want to. And then you just go to elements. You just recreate what you see. Super simple. Copy the outline. And then you just repeat it. So I'm going to click here, duplicate, slide that over here, duplicate, slide it over here. I'm choosing white just in case the outline bleeds through, and it's actually a color that I like. And then they have different shapes. You can go here, make that smaller, put it here, change that to white. And then they have a bunch of different text options. You can choose whatever you want. Try dazzle, take that off, and then you just say subscribe. You can go here, make that smaller. Let's go here, take that off, and you put it here. That there. Go to elements, let's find an arrow, and then put that there. You can flip it if you want. Flip horizontal. I'm going to do vertical, make it smaller. Change the color and duplicate, and you flip horizontal, go there, make it smaller. So you do that. You can put your social media links. If you want to change this background, let's change it red, and there you have it. Elements, clear this off. Let's do this. Canva is seriously a life-saving tool. Everyone should use it. Everyone in the creative field, business, everything. So they have icons also. So if you wanted to put it in your Instagram, they have an Instagram icon. You just take that, make that white. Let's use this one. Take that off, move that there, and then my Instagram. Mandolin121. Make that smaller, not that small, and there you go. You can make it bigger, obviously. There you go. And you don't have to have a color on the background. You can choose an image if you want that to be your background. So all you would do is do what you just did, and instead of having it in front, right click and you send it to back. And there you go. That would be your end screen. And then depending on what software you use, put it at the end of your video. And it has to be at least 5 seconds long, the end screen. It won't let you do it unless it's 5 seconds. You don't have to have it exactly like this. It lets you choose. You can have one video, you can have 2 videos, 3 videos. If you do put a subscribe button, you have to have at least one video, I believe, in order to be able to put the subscribe button by itself. All right, that's it. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or if you want to see me do another tutorial like this, please let me know in the comments. If you liked this, please give me a like and a subscribe. Also, if you are on Instagram, follow me, AmandaLynn121. I post new videos, different tips every Tuesday. Thanks. See you next week.